Show you how to set up worker notifications when an appointment is booked or canceled. So from the home page, you'll go to the navigation menu and then click Setup and Set Up Workers. From here, you'll go to Worker Details and select the worker to receive notifications. On the main profile page, you will scroll down and you will see two settings. The first setting is Send Email for Booked Appointment. Anytime an appointment is booked, whether it's in-store, online, rebooked, etc., the worker would be notified via email that the appointment was booked. The next selection is sending an email for canceled appointments. When this box is checked, an email will be sent anytime a client cancels their appointment. The email address that it will be sent to is going to be the same as the email address noted as the primary email here. Thank you for watching and have a great day.